Hey everybody, welcome back for another episode of the Customer Factory Coffee Break, where we take a break from slinging leads and creating new patients for guys and talk a little marketing with you guys. On today's show, we're going to talk about why you shouldn't change things when it's going well. Believe it or not, we have one of the most common things, we actually call it marketer boredom syndrome. It's where the marketer has put out the same ads and the campaign is running, the ads are working, people are coming in, and then you go, hey, let's make the change, let's try something different. And the real reason you're making the change is because you're bored. But here's the thing, the marketplace isn't bored, so don't change it, right? So we've seen some crazy things on this in the past. By the way, this is Merle Stepler, head of quality control here at the Customer Factory. When it breaks, he fixes it. So oftentimes I'm the one who breaks it.
Well, that's all right.
There we go.
But in this case, we're talking about trying to fix things that aren't actually broken.
Ah, good point.
Which is, and that is the problem. It's because believe it or not, I've heard this sentence from clients way too many times of, we just had the highest number of new patients last month than we've had in years. So what are we going to do next?
Yeah.
Or what should we do now?
What's our changes now?
Yes,
right?
What should we change? As opposed to, let's keep doing what we were doing, which is working.
Like we just had 38 new neuropathy patients last month. Let's see if that works for decompression.
Right.
And switch to decompression. Whoa. How about this? Let's keep running the neuropathy program and not change anything and run a decompression on the side and see if it works.
Exactly. And I can tell you just a little insider secret here. Internally, we even have this issue. This is something that needs to be worked on because we have campaign managers and creative directors, and which we sit here in the factory and build ads all day. And we even start to think that, oh, you know what? I have made this same sciatica ad for 2 weeks in a row now. I better make something different. But keep in mind, it's new to who you're showing it to out there. Depending on your market and the size of the town that you live in and the size of the area that you service, you can show the exact same ad for sometimes months. And still, not everybody in your area has seen it.
You spend a lot of money to test a lot of different ads to find the winning ad. When you have the winning ad, beat it to death. Because you spend a lot of money finding out that winning ad. And I think there's some sort of a misconception out there that people think, well, I'm doing marketing, which means I'm making lots of changes all the time. And the liability to that is you're the one who watches your marketing the closest. You're the one who sees that ad every time. You know, you checked it out 5 times. You looked in the ads manager. You've seen it 10,000 times, right? You're the most observant of your own marketing campaign. The wide world out there doesn't notice, doesn't care. They only know if that ad works. And it can take a while, as we were talking just before we started shooting, that if you've got a marketplace of a certain size, it might, in the ad budget you're running, it might take you 6 months before you've really given that ad to everybody multiple times and actually saturated it. So here's the rule. Only make changes based on data, not feelings, right? Make data-based changes only. Just because you get a hunch or a thought, don't follow hunches. It's like being... God, I'm using Vegas as another, again, it's like being in Vegas and thinking you're going to play a hunch on getting that next 21 on blackjack. Don't. Odds are against you, right? Yeah, your hunch might be right, but here's what you should do. If you're running a good campaign, leave it alone and experiment on the side with the extra money it's making you. Don't ever change a working campaign. And actually, this expands to more than just Facebook ads and whatnot. Right. If you're running a good postcard marketing campaign and it's working, don't stop running it in order to try something else. Right? If it's profitable, if you're putting $1 in, you're getting $1.01 or more back out of that marketing program, leave it alone. It's profitable. Every bit of profit, every line of profit is good, a good line of profit. So leave that alone and then try something else with the extra money that's making you. Try an experimental thing on the side. Never quit something that's working well for an experimental thing. That's how you end up with, well, marketing doesn't work for me. We tried a bunch of things, it didn't work. No, you didn't. You maybe had something that was working and didn't follow your nose all the way to make sure it stayed working. You got bored and changed it. Don't do that.
Exactly. And the you know what the moral of this coffee break? If it ain't broke, don't fix it.
Yeah.
It's really that simple.
And the ain't broke part is by data. Numbers and data only. Not hunches, not ideas, not feelings, nothing like that. Okay? So look, oh my gosh, it's the end of our break. We got to get back to work. We got a whole bunch of joint pain leads to get out to Illinois today. So we got to go and start shipping. All right. See you guys next time.
See ya.